Hey everyone, so you've got a Lycamobile SIM card, but you cannot quite remember your account number, right? Don't worry, it's a common problem. In this video, I will show you a few easy ways to find your Lycamobile account number. First, go to your web browser and go to Lycamobile official website. Click on Help and Support and select How to. Then select your query. They will give you the instructions such as place the Lycamobile SIM card into your mobile device. After inserting the SIM, power off and then restart your mobile device. Once your device is on, dial *613# from your mobile keypad. After dialing the code, you will promptly receive a text message displaying details, including your Lycamobile number. This process is a quick and efficient way to ascertain your mobile number without the need for additional assistance. If you ever forget your number in the future, you can always repeat this process. Or else you can click on three dots and select Contact Us. Here you will find their number where you can call them on Monday to Saturday 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. or Sunday 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. to ask for your problem solution, or dial 612 on your mobile keypad to follow next instruction to find your Lycamobile account number.